Hello, this is Chris from Elkhorn Silver LLC. We're introducing a new part to our jump ring jig, and that is this jump ring jig holder here for use with our jump ring jig. It's made out of stainless steel. It has two holes for attaching with screws that come with it. And attaches to your bench right here. And we're offering that with a kit for this. Well, here, let me show you on the bench. This will go in to the holder and hold your jig secure while you saw. Now, if you've already, this kit comes without the cutout on the back of the jig, but you can still use it with the one that has the cutout on the back. You just put it in there, tighten the thumb screw, and you're secure to use it. We've done this because a lot of people have different bench pin holders, different sizes. I use this one and it fits perfectly in there, and I can tighten that up. But not a lot of people have the same bench pin holder. So we've introduced this part so that you can put your jump ring jig in there and tighten it up. It works just as well with the one with the cutout. The difference with the cutout is you can put that on the bench if you're going somewhere else, or you can put it in your jump ring holder. So that's the versatility of that. But if you just want it for your bench and you don't need the cutout, you can put it right in your jump ring jig holder and tighten it up. This is made out of stainless steel. I think I already mentioned that. But you have a thumb screw to tighten it, and it comes with two stainless steel screws for attaching to your bench. Well, that's our new addition. Thank you for your time.